Hello everybody, this is Coy Hyde. Welcome to TRA Snow and Sun. We are solving problems related to our rooftop avalanches through our snow retention system. Today we are going to be talking about how to install our products, so let's get right to it.
Hello, Ben Anderson here with TRA Snow and Sun. Today we're going to be installing an F-apex bracket on some simulated shake. Tools you'll be needing: a hammer with some roofing nails, a chalk line, and a tape measure. Let's get started. Grab your F bracket, your roofing nails, and your hammer. Find your location, found on your layout, and install 4 nails in any of the 5 located holes. That concludes the install of an F-apex bracket on some simulated shake. If you have any questions, please consult TRA's engineered layout. Thank you.
You just learned how to install one of our many snow retention systems. We offer engineered snow retention layouts and quotes. For questions regarding your project, contact us at 800-606-8980 or sales@trasnowandsun.com. We will take care of the rest. Thanks for joining us.